Welcome to the EduWebinar Webinar Archive page. I'm Karen Bonanno, the National Director for EduWebinar, and I'd just like to point out a feature here that we have for you, a pay-per-view option. What this does is allow you to watch a webinar recording of your choice. You can view the selection here that we have, and these will be updated on a regular basis. Once you've chosen your webinar, in this case I'm going to look for developing online tutorials using web tools, I scroll down to the Apps, Tools and Resources button, select that, and then from that page find my webinar. Here I will get more information about the webinar, and then I can click on Pay Per View. Make sure that I've got the right webinar that I want to see and then check out. I can choose to pay by PayPal, or I can fill out all the information, my credit card details, and submit the order. I'm then taken to a registration page, and as you can see I've got some dates and times where I can choose when I want to view the webinar. So if I click on registration, I can then make sure my details are there. I can also convert this to another time zone if I don't live in the eastern seaboard area of Australia. So I can select that I want to watch a replay, which means I'll get the chance to see the webinar straight away. Or if I don't have the time to do that, I can choose a date and time from the list of options that are there. In this case, I'm going to view the recording straight away, and as soon as I click Register Now, the webinar will begin. If I don't want to watch it immediately, I can click to complete my registration, then select a date and an option of times, or if I'm in another time zone, I can convert to another time zone from the selection that is provided. In this case, I am in this area, so I can select 8 p.m. and then Register Now. I'll receive an immediate alert here that says this is the link you'll use. I will also get a confirmation email on how to join, and because this webinar is in a few days' time, I get the chance to also put it into my calendar. So I'll do that using my Google Calendar. It fills out the information, which includes the link that I'll use. I can then save that, and my calendar will alert me so that I can click in at the scheduled time. This is also the email that I will get. So I can schedule it in my calendar, or I can wait for the confirmation email. It will give me the date, the time within my time zone, and also the link or a link here where I can log in. At the scheduled time, I can click on that link or log in, and I'll be able to view the recording. At the end of the recording, I'll have the opportunity to download a certificate of attendance. So that's a quick overview of our pay-per-view option. So you get to choose from the list that's there. Then once you've decided that, you scroll down to the actual archive button, and if it's say curriculum design, click on that, and then scroll to where you will be able to access the webinar that you wish to view that's in our selection, and click Pay Per View. So that's how you can use our pay-per-view option in our webinar archive facility.